Have you ever heard of a planet where it rains molten glass sideways at more than 5,000 miles per hour? A place so violent, so alien, that even our most advanced spacecraft would be shredded in seconds? Welcome to HD 189733b, the terrifying glass-raining planet, a world so close to its star that its atmosphere burns blue, and where every storm could slice you apart like a million tiny knives. Scientists first caught sight of this strange blue giant back in 2005, orbiting a star in the small constellation of Vulpecula, roughly 64 light-years away from Earth. To the naked eye, its parent star looks ordinary, but hidden in its glow, telescopes detected something impossible. A hot Jupiter, a gas giant whipping around its star once every 2.2 days. At first, astronomers thought they had found just another exoplanet. But then came the color. When the Hubble Space Telescope captured light from its atmosphere, it revealed something astonishing. The planet wasn't gray, red, or golden. It was a deep sapphire blue. But this was not the calm blue of Earth's oceans. This was the burning blue of silicate storms, where microscopic particles of glass scatter light like a mirror of fire. As the data poured in, scientists were stunned. The atmosphere of HD 189733b isn't just hot, it's hellish. The temperature on the day side exceeds 1,000 degrees Celsius, enough to vaporize rock. And because the planet orbits so close to its sun, it's tidally locked. One side scorched by eternal daylight, the other drowned in endless night. Between those two halves, hurricane-force winds scream at over 5,000 miles per hour. Winds so powerful they could rip apart any known machine, any known material. Imagine standing there. If you could, the glass particles, formed when silicate vapor cools, would whip through the air like razor dust, slicing sideways through the dense atmosphere. You wouldn't see a gentle rain. You'd see shards of molten glass, hurled sideways by hurricane winds, glowing faintly as they fall through a cobalt sky. This is why NASA calls HD 189733b the Reign of Terror. But scientists weren't done investigating. They wanted to know what else hides in those deadly clouds. In May 2024, the James Webb Space Telescope pointed its gold mirrors toward this planet once more. And what it found was shocking. The air itself is toxic. Webb's instruments detected hydrogen sulfide gas, a compound that smells like rotten eggs. Yes, even the air on this world stinks of death. It was the first time hydrogen sulfide had ever been detected on a planet outside our solar system. That discovery made HD 189733b a benchmark for studying alien atmospheres, a laboratory of extremes. Its skies hold not only silicate dust but traces of water vapor, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, but strangely no methane, even though conditions should allow it. This chemical puzzle has left scientists debating. Could this planet's chemistry hint at something unknown, some exotic reaction no one has ever seen before? If there were a cosmic court of worlds, a place where planets were put on trial, HD 189733b would be found guilty of being the most dangerous world ever known. Astronomers would serve as witnesses, describing the roaring storms, the sideways rain of glass, the blue flames of its atmosphere, and the verdict from science, uninhabitable, forever hostile, a world of beauty and terror combined. Yet despite its brutality, this planet is a favorite among astronomers. Why? Because it's close enough and bright enough that we can see it, measure it, and learn from it. It's the kind of place that reminds us how small and fragile our own world is. And it challenges our imagination to think of weather systems not of rain or snow, but of molten glass slicing through blue clouds at supersonic speed. Some scientists believe these hot Jupiters like HD 189733b could reveal how planets are born, and perhaps how they die. Maybe one day, when technology allows, we'll send robotic probes close enough to taste its atmosphere. But none will survive long. The winds will tear them apart. The glass rain will melt their skin. And yet, every astronomer who studies this planet calls it beautiful. Because in its danger lies a strange perfection, a blue gem blazing against the void, where physics itself paints horror in color. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see a small, dim star in Vulpecula, remember, around that star, a world is spinning once every 2 days, its skies filled with molten glass and 5,000-mile-per-hour winds. It's not science fiction, it's real. The universe is not just vast, it's violent, beautiful, and sometimes terrifyingly alive.